Welcome to video 12.1e, surface area of a regular hexagonal prism. So this is example 2. The problem states, find the total surface area of this regular hexagonal prism. Remember, the bases are hexagons, and this one is a right hexagonal prism. So the formula to remember is the following. The total surface area equals 2 bases plus the lateral. 2 bases plus the lateral. And then there is a shortcut for the lateral, as I discussed earlier. The lateral is the same as the perimeter of the base times the height. So you could also say equals 2b plus ph. So all I'm going to do is find the area of the base, the perimeter, and the height. Well, the perimeter and the height are easy. I can read that right off the drawing. So just really the problem boils down to finding the area of the base. All right, there's a couple ways of doing that as well. I'll redraw the hexagon for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like to draw the center, and each edge was 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. And what I like to do is draw the spokes out and just concern myself with one triangle. So it's an equilateral triangle, 60, 60, 60. If I were to draw this segment right there, it would bisect the angle and the opposite side. So this angle here becomes 30. This angle was 60, that's 90. And this small side there is 4, half of 8. So I've got my 30, 60, 90 ratio. Then, if you remember your ratios, opposite of 30, that's my reference, that's 4. If I went to the hypotenuse, that would be double, 8. No big excitement there. But if I went opposite the 60, that would be 4 radical 3. And that's going to be helpful. So now what I'm going to do to find the area of the base, I'll just find the area of that one triangle and then simply multiply it by 6 to find out the area of the whole regular hexagon. So remember, the area of one triangle is going to be 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height. The base of that triangle is 8. The height of that triangle is 4 rad 3. So equals 1/2 8 times 4 rad 3, and that's going to be 16 radical 3. Now that was just for one triangle. So to find the area of the hexagon, so that would be the area of the whole base, that would be 6 triangles, which would be 6 times 16 rad 3, and 96 rad 3. So that's going to be the area of the base. I could have done it a different way. There's a formula for the area of a regular polygon, 1/2 AP. So if I wanted to do it that way, I could have said the area of the base is 1/2 AP equals 1/2 the apothem 4 rad 3. The perimeter 8 times 6. So that's going to be a 2, 16, 16 by 6, the exact same answer. So either way, this way is just a little bit more intuitive. So now I've got the area of the base. All I need is the perimeter of the height, and then to apply things into that formula. All right, so the perimeter, as we did before, there's each edge is 8, and there's 6 of them. So 8 times 6 equals 48. The height, don't get confused. Again, the height has nothing to do with up and downness. It's the distance between the two parallel congruent bases. So the height is 13. So now all I gotta do is put these numbers into here, and I'm done. Don't forget there's 2 bases. So equals 2 96 rad 3 plus the perimeter 48 times the height 13 2 times 96, that's going to be 192. So 192 radical 3 plus 48 times 13 is 624. We can't add these two terms. This has a radical 3, this does not. Your book doesn't use units, so the book would answer it as such. 192 radical 3 plus 624. And again, always leave your answers in exact simplified form unless specified otherwise. So there you have it, how to find the total surface area of a regular hexagonal prism.